Hello guys, hope you're having a good time. Today is 4 June. This is the US100 trading chart. I only trade the US100 trading. US100 chart. This website is called Trading You, and let us highlight all levels for the day. This is the daily time frame. I'm gonna mark the previous day high and previous day low. You can do that by here. I'm gonna use the horizontal ray. You can use another if you want. I'm gonna just eyeball it. Here you can see the OHLC for the open, high, low, close. The high of this candle of the previous day candle 3rd June is 21,716. I eyeballed it pretty good. We're gonna label it now by clicking on it and choosing select. I'm gonna do it PDH. You can do it whatever you want. I think I want the text on this side, so I'll choose the style over its visibility. Plus text alignment on the right, in the middle. Yeah, that's better. And another line for the daily low, previous day low. But the low is 21357.7, and here it is. I'm also gonna mark it PDL, means previous day low. I'm also gonna use the new week opening gap for my trading. This is the opening gap of from Friday to Sunday. It shows Monday, but the market actually opens on Sunday. I'm also gonna label it right here. Close at 21,319. I'm gonna choose a different color. It's your choice what color you want, but I'm gonna choose this. And what is the date? 30th May 25. 30th May 2020 25. 30th May 25. And now the next one is the opening of this candle. Opening is 21,263. Now I'm gonna label it 1st June 2025, and we're gonna use it for targets and other things you're gonna see. 30th May, 1st June. Okay. Today there is ISM services PMI. This is a news event. I don't know if you guys are beginner traders or professional traders. It's gonna come out at 10, so we're gonna wait for the news to come out. And there are 20 seconds left. and then we are gonna look for trade setups, not before that. We're gonna drop down to a lower time frame. Price looks like it's gonna take this liquidity level at 21,825, the high of this candle, and here we can drop down to 4 hours. Here, as you can see, price has taken previous day high. It's here. The 4-hour candle has closed. News has come out. The news has come out bearish. Price mostly seeks liquidity, even if the news comes out bearish or bullish. The news does affect the markets, but mainly price seeks liquidity. You just have to wait it out. Be patient. This is the 4-hour candle, and we're gonna wait. The news has come out. We're gonna first we are determining bias from higher time frames. Then we're gonna keep dropping down as low as the 1-minute time frame. I am a scalper. That's my strategy. You can intraday trade. You can swing trade. That's up to you. And we're gonna wait for it. Let's drop down to 1-hour chart. The 1-hour candle closed bullish. Price made a very big gap because of the news. When news comes out, the price is very volatile, so you should avoid trading at that time. Fifteen minutes. Well, let's see. There's a gap there. Whenever you see a gap in the market, in 90% of the time, price is gonna take the gap. Price is gonna fill up the gap. So watch out for gaps. We try not to trade the news opening because the price is very volatile. Your stop loss will get hit. I think I'll take a look again at 15 minutes. Okay. See, price has taken this upside liquidity. Our one, where do you see price going in the 1 hour? That's what I'm looking for. The 1 hour, the previous candle closed very bullish, but since the news came bearish, it was crashed a lot. So I think all we can do is wait and see, and wait till a few minutes pass, so we are sure. It's okay if you don't find a trade every day. You're not even gonna find a trade every day. We're gonna go to 15 minutes. The 15 minutes shows see the gap is a little of the gap is still left. Price did fill some of it, but most of it is still left. As you can see, price filled some of the gap and then it's crashing down. But I think it's gonna fill up this gap again. Let's see. This is the 1 minute time frame. My strategy is that I wait for a market structure shift with an imbalance like an FPG. See, price has this FPG. An FPG is the gap between in the middle from this candle's low to this candle's high. It is made up of 3 candles. That is my strategy. I look for my liquidity targets at higher time frames, for example 1 or 4 hour daily. As you can see, price is crashing. This can be its target, and even this and this. But I normally don't trust the news opening, so I'm gonna wait. But I do think it has to fill up the gap. Let's drop down again to 15 minutes. Let's see how the 15-minute candle closes. It will give us a look on where the market is going. And then again on we're gonna wait and wait. Price is still crashing. I think it will take the sell side liquidity and then pump to fill up this gap. Price does not like leaving gaps. Most of the time always fill up the gaps. Let's just wait. You always have to wait for your setup to form. And look, this is the liquidity target. Price is gonna looks like price is gonna take this liquidity target. But look at the time, it has only been 8 minutes past 10. Let's see if it wants to crash more. You know, this is a perfect setup. Price took this high, then crashed, and I would have taken it if there wasn't any news. And if there is news, you just need to wait it out. Sometimes you're gonna feel like you would have made a lot of money, but most of the time you're gonna get tracked in the news. It's very volatile. It's gambling. Don't do it. Don't trade before the news, and if the news comes on, wait for a little time to trade. Price has taken this sell side liquidity that is resting between this low. Let's see another 15 minutes. Its next, the market's next target could be this 21,597, the low of this candle. There's also an imbalance here, a bullish imbalance. This is an FPG that is made from 3 candles. The high of this candle and the low of the gap between this, the body of this candle. This is called the FPG. Price is going up again. We're gonna wait for it to give us a setup. It's okay if price doesn't give us a setup. You don't chase price. Wait for it. Wait for a perfect setup, and that's how you can be sure to make money. For educational purposes, I'm gonna be trading on the trading view paper trading account. Mm. Oh, the chart changed. I'm my fault. Sorry. Let's trading panel. This is a trading view paper trading account. You need to connect to it. It's just a demo account. So you put that. Here you can see this is a new account. I have 100,000 in my bank. This is fake money, demo money. Need to wait. Okay. Price has given a market structure shift with also a bullish FUG. This is my setup. I'm gonna be targeting this gap but a little higher than that. This swing high, which I think the price is gonna take. Let's see what happens. My SL is gonna be below this swing low. Seems to be moving in my favor, but let's see. It still hasn't touched the gap yet. Gap, still in the gap, but the price filled this gap. This area is untapped by the price. It's gonna tap it, and we're gonna wait. We're up 300 bucks, 200 now. The target is just up there. Our target could be up, but this is the lowest hanging fruit, the highest probability target that we can get. You could put your target here at 21,753. This is the hard part of trading. You just have to have the patience. Just trust your setup, trust the market. And losses occur in trading. If it's a loss, like it's okay. I didn't risk. I didn't over leverage. I only risked less than 1% of my account. As I told, I showed you guys the account here. Let's see what it is. This is crashing down. Nuance. And we're just gonna wait here. I only trade this AM session. Price seems to be a little slow. What can we say? We just have to wait for. Let's see the outcome. components. I don't think price is gonna take that, fill up that gap. We're just gonna wait for it. Doing a little bit of drawdown. Let's see. Our stop loss is very tight. Now we just have to wait. We just have to trust our setup. That's the hardest part of it. Trust and patience. Just have to wait for it. And the price is shooting up. Drop down to 15 minutes. Only 3 minutes left for the 15-minute close. Let's see. That's good momentum right there. If price makes a bullish FEG, then it would be a good sign. Now it has touched the unfilled area. Let's see if it can complete it fully. My TP is just a little bit above previous day high. It has filled this area half, and also it has also made a bullish FPG, which is a good sign. It has to reach here to fill the gap completely, but it can also reject a little from tapping into here. You just have to wait and see. We want to see this area completely filled. Just have to wait for it. There's 21.74. My TP is a little bit above that. I might take my TP a little down to previous day high. Maybe. Let's see. We're just gonna have patience, patience, patience. We want it to go till here. Now you can take a little risk off. Put your SL below this low. And then you're gonna wait for the price. Price is showing good momentum. We're gonna wait for it. Let's see. I think I'm gonna drop my TP to this previous day high. Price has filled the gap completely. If you're looking at this, okay guys, price has filled the gap. I'll close the trade. We're up almost $800, and I've closed the trade. You can see I've earned plus $800 in a couple of minutes. This is a new paper trading account. Paper trading is basically demo trading. This is only meant for educational purposes. I have a real account, but I just don't show it for privacy reasons. As you can see, we have made $800 in a couple of minutes. See you tomorrow. Take care.